Greetings, welcome to Kata Martial Arts Academy. Today we're going to be doing a full walkthrough of Naihanchi Shodan. I'm going to be doing this form to my left, which will be mirroring the form. So if you're following me, you'll be going to your right. First we're going to cover the footwork. So I'm going to drop the camera down a little bit and we'll go over what our feet are doing, and then I will add the rest of the body mechanics. Okay? All right. Okay, so you're going to start off with the feet at a 45-degree angles at the heel. So feet pointing out, heels together. And then you're going to bring your feet together, pointing forward, and slightly bend your knees. Right? The first transition, you're going to step with your left foot, me with my right, and you're going to bring your pinky toe to your pinky toe, your little toe to little toe. Heel up. And then you're going to drop your heel down and shift the other foot around. Not plant it down, but just gently place it on the ground, and then you're going to shift to your side. Okay? Right. Next, you're going to go back the other direction. When you do this transition, you're going to shift all of your weights to your supporting leg. Little toe to little toe. Drop it, shift, and go down. Now notice when you're doing this, you're not doing this. You're not stepping and dropping your foot down in your body weight. You're smoothly transitioning to the side. Now you're not going here, here. You're gently down, and at the same time you're shifting. 1, 2. Okay? That's the footwork. Right, that's what you're going to be doing every time we transition. That is our footwork. So, and now we're doing the form. You're going to have your right hand in front of your face, left hand on top. Okay? When you're doing this, then you're going to just rotate your hands down in front. Okay? And as you do that, you're going to bring your feet together and bend your knees and just slightly just drop down. Okay? You're going to do your little crossover step. So here, shift, and go out. Your fist is going to go above your belt or your waistline. Your other arm is going to be out at a 45-degree angle to your side. And then you're going to bring this hand in and elbow strike. Okay? One more time. 1, 2. You don't want to turn in too much. You're going to open your shoulder, your scapula, and it's going to just come out this way. Okay? 1, 2. And then you're going to drop your fist onto your hip. Your other hand is going to cut on top. And then you're going to do a low block and then hook. Okay? Shift. Down, step. And then you're going to do a outside chest block, punch down. So you're going 1, 2, punch. And then you switch. You're going to bring them together and then switch places like this. Okay? Many people will go like this. You don't want to do this. You go 1, 2, bring it together, and then shoot them both out. From here, this hand is going to go supporting under the elbow, and then do a back fist strike. The next motion is the hardest movement in the form. You're going to bring your left foot, my right foot, up, and you're going to take it to your thigh up in here, like that. Okay? But you're going to try to do it without going up and down or too far to the side. There's going to be a little bit of head movement, but you're going to boom, boom, that type of motion, boom. To accomplish this, when you're going to be lifting your left foot first, you're going to tighten the opposites, the supporting legs, glute, and quadricep, and you're going to grip on the ground. So when you're doing this, you're keeping this nice and tight, and you're going to turn your hip a little bit. So if I'm going to be using my right leg, my hip is going to slightly turn to my right, and I go. Okay? We're gonna go here, one, turn, shift. Now opposite side. One, so up, and turn. So it's just gonna be one kick. One, here. One, here. Here. And double punch. Same thing the other side. One, two, three, four, five. Cross step, right? Shift. One, two, three, four, five. Right? One, two, three, four, five. And then you end it just by bringing your feet together. Going back up 45 as you drop down. And then feet open. Okay. Alright, I'm going to do this form in normal speed, not full speed, just slow speed without any narrative, so you can get a full idea. Okay. Okay. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, next time, train on.